Starting an Amazon selling business is overwhelming. There seems to be too much information available. Can you get everything right? You want so badly to succeed because your own healthy business with Amazon will come with the personal freedom to do what you want when you want. Luckily, we at AMZ Scout know exactly what you need to start selling. In a few minutes, you will be much less stressed and better prepared to begin, no matter how much money you have to invest into starting your Amazon business. So, let's begin. You should follow 5 easy steps. First step, choosing a niche and a product to sell. Choosing a product with the right ratio of demand and competition is the main key to success in Amazon business. Thousands of beginners fail to make a profit from their first product because they chose it for the wrong reasons. It can be a dream to sell something specific or to have the wrong instincts when choosing what to sell. To get an idea of what you should sell on Amazon, check out our monthly trend reports available to all of our email subscribers. There you will see which product niches are on the rise. Then go to our product database to easily find products that are from those growing niches and have great potential in terms of revenue and other parameters. Your next move is to check the demand, competition, and margins for any potential product on Amazon to avoid being biased and entering into a low revenue niche. AMZ Scout Pro Chrome extension will help you with this process. It provides the most accurate product sales data on the market. Hundreds of thousands of sellers use it to choose the right product, make money, and live free. We also have a free Amazon Sellers course that will guide you through the process of choosing your first profitable product. Start with the first video in our course to learn more about product research and the main steps for sourcing and selling your products. The link is below the video. Second step, finding a supplier and sourcing. There are a few different ways to source a product. You can do private label, where you put your own label onto a product, or you can resell existing brands. And the easiest thing you can do in that case is to ship products from other stores when customers buy them. In many cases, you have the option of checking out suppliers at Alibaba with AMZ Scout at one click. Alibaba is the main marketplace of suppliers for private label sellers and many resellers. Sourcing a product for reselling is a complicated process. Watch our free course where we explain how to add many products to your account and sell them at a profit. Third step, starting and setting up your seller's account and shipping your first batch. In most cases, you will need to create your own listing with photos and a description of the product. The competition can be high. If you don't create an excellent listing, no one will find and purchase your product. That's why we created a listing quality score that suggests what to do to make a perfect listing. We also have an awesome keyword ASIN lookup tool where you can sneak a peek at all of your competitors' keywords and put them onto your listing so that's easier for shoppers to find your product. For reselling, you just need to join the existing list via your seller account. Start with watching our course to find out more. Step 4, shipping. Shipping may be long, expensive, and risky. To cut the cost and protect yourself from losing your products, you need to know that process well. One thing you can do is to find an American-based product to sell and ship. This allows you to minimize the shipping risk. Let us explain this in our AMZ Scout step-by-step course. Start a trial to get the free access to that course. Step 5, launch and promote your product. So you are almost ready to launch, but there are 600 million other products on Amazon. How will people find and buy yours? You want to get loads of sales early on, as it will make your product appear among top results when people search Amazon for similar items. That in turn will drive more sales to you. To get those early sales, you can use paid advertising called PPC. You're going to need the most relevant keywords to run your PPC campaigns with low costs. AMZ Scout ASIN lookup tool is the best way to get those keywords. Once you launch your PPC, our keyword tracker will track all of these keywords and show you if your product goes up to the top result or not, helping you to understand if your PPC campaign needs adjustment. So there you go. Here are 5 simple steps on your way to freedom. It could seem a little bit difficult to start, but don't worry. You'll find the detailed information on these steps in the AMZ Scout Amazon Seller course. We also provide an extremely powerful toolset to cover every Amazon seller's needs. Now, just sign up for a completely free AMZ Scout trial. See the course and use the tools to start building the future you really want.